All right, here we are at Sumter National Forest, Sumter National Forest and Yellow Branch Falls Trail. So we're gonna take a hike down to the falls and check this place out. Maybe go swimming by some falls. Trailhead sign here, clearly marked. Hiking, no biking, no horses, no motorcycles. So let's go for a walk. So we had a good morning this morning. Woke up at the campsite and got a good bike ride in, about 6 miles. Now we're about an hour away near Walhalla, South Carolina, and hiking this trail down to the waterfall. So this place is pretty cool. Look at 360, nothing but nature, and my crabby brother. Woo! Say what's up, Crabby McCrabberson.
What? You coming?
Yeah, go. Oh, that's awesome. All right, so I hear water. I hear water moving. We must be real close. About 2 miles in, mile and a half in on this trail. Chester's doing good. Oh, there's some moving water. Let's see what else we got.
It'll be nice. They will be nice. Nice.
Look at that. That's beauty. Does it really get any more beautiful than this? Look at that. All right, back to the car now after swimming in that waterfalls. Amazing. Let me tell you though, this hike back, I have not sweat so much from my forehead, I think, in my entire life. It's hot out here and we're back to the car. It's time for a snack and on to the next waterfall. And I don't know if we're gonna be able to do 5, man, because it's getting late already. So let's see what we can get. Crazy road. Wow, that was a crazy road, but that was awesome. Brad, what'd you think?
Pretty dope.
Thanks for not crashing us. Look at this. Look at these waterfalls. Ooh, it's so cold. Who's a good boy, Chester? Who's a good boy? Who's a good boy? Wow, Raleigh Moore Falls were awesome. This trail's pretty cool. That water was cold, but man, do I feel good after being in that water. Bro, how you feel?
Feel good.
Man, I think he hates the fact that we're documenting everything, but I think he'll get over it. So. All right, I think I'm about to try the stupidest thing of my life, but here we are. I have to hold on to this guy tight. That's sketchy rope. Gotta climb up that. Had to climb up that one-handed. Let's walk across this. It's slippery. That is a slippery rock. Let's get on this rope here. Ooh, that's slippery. This is not as slippery. All right, we made it up here. So I gotta avoid that. We want to go out here towards the middle. Slippery. So I got some spectators. All right, here we go. Let's hold on to this thing tight. Woo! That's pretty epic. That's pretty epic. Oh boy, that's pretty epic right there. That's worth the price of admission. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo.